Hi everyone, welcome back to FixAge. In this video, I will show you how to download and install VLC Media Player on your Windows 10 or 11 PC safely and for free. VLC is a must-have app. So without further delay, let's dive in. First, we need to download the VLC Media Player. So open any web browser of your choice. I'm opening Google Chrome and go to videolan.org. Hit the enter key. This is the official website for VLC Media Player. Always download from here to avoid fake versions. So in this page, there will be option download VLC. There will be a down arrow mark. Click on that. It will show the options to download for your OS, Windows, Mac, Linux, Android. For all the OS, there will be different installer files will be available. According to your OS, you can click on the installer file. So mine is Windows 64-bit. I am selecting that one. Download page of VLC Media Player, and also it will start downloading automatically. See here, after the download completes, double click on that to start the installation process. Click on yes for the prompt, select your language in the installer window, then click on next. Next, you want to create the shortcut menu, desktop shortcut and some plugins. If you want, keep checked, otherwise uncheck the boxes and click on next. This is the destination file where VLC is going to install. If you want to change, go to the browse and change the folder and click on install. The installation has been completed. If we click on this checkbox, it will automatically open the VLC Media Player window. I'll uncheck this one and I'll show you how to open it from the desktop. So click on finish, close this browser. As we selected the checkbox, create a desktop shortcut. Here it is. Desktop shortcut has been created. If not, you can go to search for VLC. VLC Media Player app is available. You can open it from anywhere. Like this, it will open. Now you can open any video or audio file and VLC will play it smoothly. It even supports subtitles, playlists and streaming. For example, see, I'll go to media, I'll open one file, click on open. Video file is playing smoothly. You have successfully installed the VLC Media Player on your Windows PC. And that's it. If this tutorial helped, please like and subscribe to FixAge for more quick Windows app guides. Thank you for watching.